Box pleats are double pleats having two upper folds facing in opposite directions and two underfolds pressed towards each other. An instant eye-catcher. Whether it is a box pleated skirt or dress, this piece is a crowd puller. If you're not in the mood to go dressy, then we suggest that you pick a deep-toned box pleat skirt and pair it with a thin strap top and some ballet flats. Have to run to make an errand but want to look chic too? We say, pick a short beige hued box pleat skirt and simply team it up with a plain cap sleeves white t-shirt with a pair of thong flats. Go and steal these beauties. Applique, meaning to put on in French, is a sewing technique in which the fabric patches are layered on a base fabric and then stitched in place by hand or machine. Applique is used worldwide as a decorative technique for banners, clothing and display pieces. To give it a distinct yet cohesive look, the fabric is ornamented with beads and sequins, making it look more high-end and polished. Interestingly, this technique was a solution to when the clothes were ripped and needed fixing to appear decent and classic. Applique work saris and dresses have become a favorite pick in the fashion scene, given the versatility of the fabric and how easy it is to maintain. Pair your outfit with chunky oxidized jewelry and box heels. Solid and pastel colors with floral motifs are extremely popular these days, and you should definitely be trying them out.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks, originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.